Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are doing fine. During these tough times, let's follow the practice of wearing a mask while stepping out of our home and using a sanitizer. Keep the habit of washing your hands regularly with the soap. This will ensure that we are safe from the virus. Today we will be learning Stand Up First, Subject English, Topic Soham's Ball. Let's talk about four magic words. Thank you, please, excuse me, sorry. These are basic good manners which we have been learning at home as well as at school. Let's see how these magic words are used in the following story, which is Soham's ball. So what are you seeing in this picture? There are two boys, Sam and Soham. They are playing with a football. So where they are playing with the football? They are playing near Mr. Mane's garden. Sam kicks the ball and it goes to Mr. Mane's garden. Sam went to Mr. Mane's garden to get his ball and says, "Excuse me, may I have the ball, please?" Mr. Mane says, "Sure, here it is," and returns his ball. The boys were still playing. After some time, the ball went to Mr. Mane's garden again. This time, Soham went to ask for the ball. He says, "Give me the ball." To which Mr. Mane replied, "No, I won't." Why do you think Mr. Mane refused to give the ball? Because Soham was rude while asking for the ball. Notice the difference between Sam and Soham's way of talking. On one hand, Sam talks very politely by saying please, whereas Soham asks very rudely. That's why Mr. Mane did not return his ball. How is Soham feeling? How is Mr. Mane feeling? Both Soham and Mr. Mane are feeling sad. Soham tries once again. This time he says, "Uncle, may I have the ball, please?" This was very polite way of asking. Mr. Mane felt happy and he finally returned his ball. Then Soham says thank you to Mr. Mane. Let's read the story once again. The name of the story is Soham's Ball. Sam and Soham are playing football. Who are playing football? Soham and Sam. With what they are playing? They are playing with football. Sam kicks the ball. It goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Where it goes? It goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Sam asks for the ball. "Excuse me, may I have the ball, please?" "Sure, here it is." Why do you think Mr. Mane returned the ball? Because Sam was very polite. After some time, again the ball goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Now Soham asks for the ball. "Give me the ball." "No, I won't," said Mr. Mane. Why does Mr. Mane say no? Because Soham was very rude. How is Soham feeling? How is Mr. Mane feeling? Both are feeling very sad. Soham tries again. "Uncle, may I have the ball, please?" How does Mr. Mane feel now? Mr. Mane feels happy because Soham was very polite this time. Thank you, said Soham. What did we learn from this story? We should always talk politely and show respect to everyone. Let's do this activity with the help of the magic words. When my grandma gives me something, what do you say? I say, thank you. What do you say? I say, thank you. If I spill my drink at lunch, what do you say? I say, sorry. What do you say? I say, sorry. If I need to interrupt, what do you say? I say, excuse me. What do you say? I say, excuse me. What did Sam say to Mr. Mani? Excuse me, may I have the ball? Please. What did he say? He said, please, excuse me, may I have the ball, please? Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.